Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Preeti Speaks. We have already studied chapter 1 of standard 10th, that is environment and ecosystem, and today we are going to solve the exercise of this lesson. So let us start. The first question is, what are the effects of human intervention on the environment? Answer is, humans impact the physical environment in many ways. Some of those are overpopulation, pollution, burning fossil fuels, and deforestation. Changes like this have triggered climate change, soil erosion, poor air quality, and undrinkable water. The next question is, what are the main types of ecosystems? Explain the basis of this classification. The main types of ecosystems are land ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. They are based on relationships between the different elements like specific locality, area, size, climate, topography, rock, land, water, flow, system, etc. They are responsible to define the types of ecosystem. The third one is, what important role does water play for environment? Water plays a major role in maintaining the health of rivers and wetland regions. All living beings are provided with enough water at their essential stages, so they don't have shortage of food. Hence they continue their reproduction and growth cycle. The next question is, does uncontrolled use of water from natural water sources affect the ecosystem as well as environmental processes? The answer is yes. The uncontrolled use of water from natural water sources may endanger the ecosystem as well as the environment. Question number 5. What are the adverse effects of widespread human intervention in the environment on natural water resources? The answer is, the water gets polluted due to the human settlements, factories, agricultural processes. Because of this, there is a threat for aquatic life and human life. Question 6. What is the ratio of forest cover to total land area in Maharashtra? The answer is, the ratio of forest cover to the total land area in Maharashtra is 50,777.56 square kilometers, which is about 16.50% of the state's geographical area. The next question is, which is the most forested and least forested region in Maharashtra? Answer, Gadchiroli district in Maharashtra has a maximum area, that is 68.81% under forest cover, and Latur has the least area under forest, which is just 0.18%. Question number 8. What are the types of forest found in Maharashtra? What is the percentage of proportion of each type of forest with respect to area? Answer, types of forest and area. Evergreen forest 20.1%, semi-evergreen forest 7.73%, wet deciduous forest 29.84%, dry deciduous forest 57.41%, and mangrove forest 0.15%. So friends, This is all for today. Thank you.